says, what is the ruling on Forex trading? As in trading in Islam, the halal way. We answered this question so many times and said Forex trading is prohibited when dealing with gold, silver, or cash money. Totally prohibited. Because this is online, there is no reality, none whatsoever, to the presence of gold, and there is no simultaneousness in handling, give or take, physically. So this is totally prohibited. When it comes to other stocks, it is like any other commodity or stock exchange. The rulings is that you have to be certain that they possess it, that it is not financed by riba, like most companies, that they don't deposit their savings in banks and take riba on that. And the vast majority of companies, unfortunately, do this, and hence you should not be dealing with that.